Good morning, everyone. First off, I wanted to say welcome to all the new subscribers and new viewers. If I haven't said that in a while, I'm sorry. I'm still kind of learning. I don't know, like, I had a YouTube channel for a long time with regards to like crafting and stuff, but it didn't, like, I don't know. I wasn't on camera, so it was weird. It was mostly my hands because I would show people how to make cards and things. So anyways, now that I'm on camera, it's a bit weird. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for joining us today. Guys, I am having my last Swiss cacao ketones. I ordered some, like, I don't know, a week or so ago, so the new box should be here in a couple of days, I hope. This is my favorite one. Favorite, especially because I add it to the Starbucks instant blonde roast and make iced coffee out of it. Yeah, so I'm really hoping that it appears very soon. So I am just making my ketones this morning. It is 10:40, so this is really late. I actually had to run to the bank first because I tried to do an e-transfer to myself to pay rent and all of that things from the business account to our personal account, and it wouldn't go through. I don't know why. It said, cannot complete this transaction at the moment. So there we go. Iced coffee. I'm excited. That's what I'm having today. Today is a stadium day. Yay. You can tell how sarcastic that is. And it's a little bit different because Chris is not going to be there. So it's going to be me running the whole show, which I've done before, but it's so much easier when Chris is there, because then if I need to run out to go to the bathroom or I just need a break, he can fill in for me. But he is stuck at the restaurant because we don't have any management staff on today. So anyways, it is what it is, and I will get through it. I'm actually thinking that I am going to do sort of a pseudo egg fast today because I'm still, I don't know, like, I feel bloated. So, like, I still feel that from a couple of days ago when I wasn't feeling great. So I'm thinking if I do, like, just eggs today, eggs and a little bit of cheese and some fat. If I do that today, and maybe I'll continue it tomorrow, I'm not sure. It'll be easier for me to do that at the stadium than it will be for me to, like, cook something and all of that. I've got I picked up a couple packages of these, so I'm going to take those with me, and then I think I'm going to take an avocado, like one of those holy guacamole thingies. I think I'm going to take that. And then I've got some cheese that I can just slice up, and I'll measure it here and then just put it all in a container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prep all of that, and then I will show you that so that you guys can see what I'm having for dinner and what I'm having, or what I'm having for lunch and what I'm having for dinner, because I don't know if I'm going to have time to film at the stadium with it just being me as management there. So I'm kind of hoping that I do have time, but if I don't, I think this is gonna just be a really short video, because I just don't really know. Like, I might be able to shoot the last one because that's kind of when we're cleaning up and all that, but I probably won't be able to shoot lunch. Or maybe I'll shoot lunch because it'll be before the game, and then not until after. I don't know. Sophie, quiet. Silly girl. Anyways, so we're gonna prepare that, and then I'll come back on and show you what I'm taking with me, and then we'll see what I get to do tonight at the stadium. So anyways, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so here is what I'm taking. I am taking 4 of these cheddar cheeses. They are 21 grams each, which is approximately 74 ounces each. It says to have up to 1 ounce of cheese per egg, but they recommend having less. I don't know if I'm going to eat all 4 of these today. I may just do like 1.5 per time that I eat. I'm also bringing 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I split them up because I think what I'm going to do is take 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of the holy guacamole and then mix it with my eggs. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure that that's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to take my tablespoon with me so that I'm not going over in fat, but I'm not under in fat. So, so yeah, and then I've got the 4 eggs. So pretty boring today, but I just want to keep it really simple for at the stadium because I don't have access to a microwave. I could bring, see, it's still a little bit, I don't know, like I could bring my little waffle maker and make like cheese waffles or egg and cheese waffles, but I think maybe for today, just because then I don't have to think about what I'm doing, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna have the same exact thing for lunch as I do for dinner. So I think just to make it easier, and then I'm not carrying a bunch of stuff and yeah. So anyways, so this is lunch and dinner, and I will decide later if I'm going to continue doing the egg fast into tomorrow or even into Saturday. I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna see how I feel tonight after this, and then decide tomorrow if I'm feeling better. Maybe I'll just eat regular, but if I'm not really feeling, if I'm still feeling bloated, I think I may continue the egg fast into the weekend. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and package this up so that I can take it with me. And like I said, I may film, if you're gonna get any filming, it'll probably be lunch, because lunch will be just before the volunteers show up and everybody is just starting to cook and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Okay, hi guys. I'm just gonna make this really quick because we're just getting busy. So I've got my guacamole and mayo. I mix it all together, and then I'm gonna put it on top of each of 4 halves, and then I'm gonna eat my cheese. So I just wanted to hop on and show you guys. It's really starting to get busy. So anyways, that's it, and I will see you guys later. If I don't get a chance to, this is exactly what I'm having for dinner as well. So I probably won't film that. So have a good night, and thanks so much for watching. Alright guys, so I'm home. It is kind of late to be eating, but I am hungry. So I am going to have some eggs even though it's quite late. So I'm going to finish off the fats that I did not eat. I'll have 1 tablespoon left of that, and then 1 tablespoon of the mayonnaise. I am also cooking I'm going to do 2 eggs. This is what I have left of the cheese. I put 1.5 ounces of cheese in there. If I don't use it all, I'm just going to put it back in the bag, but I am cooking some egg omelets, or yeah, not egg omelets, egg waffles. And I thought I would save my other eggs that I brought with me that I didn't end up eating and save them for maybe tomorrow. Just so that I'm not eating the same thing over and over again. So anyways, I'm going to finish cooking this. I have 1 more egg that I need to cook, and then I'm going to eat these waffles with the mayonnaise and avocado on top of them as my topping, I guess. And then I'm going to call it a night and go to bed because I am super tired. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.